Poor guy outdoor cooking. I am making, what do we call this? Pulled pork tater tot skillet, I guess, for better words. And by now you've already seen the thumbnail, and I haven't. Um, so I've got some leftover pulled pork, and I pulled it. I didn't shred it. I didn't mince it. I didn't pulverize it. I pulled it, and there it is. It looks delicious. We had that last week for supper. I've got some tater tots, which were deep fried, and I have some pepper jack cheese, which I shredded myself. It's kind of sticking together. I've got some good old-fashioned barbecue sauce. So here's the plan. I'm going to take the pork outside and we're going to warm it up in that skillet with some butter. And I'm going to add some of my own seasonings. I don't remember what I put in there, but good stuff. And then we got another Dutch oven out there. So, well, hang on. Come outside with me and I'll show you what I'm doing. I don't want to give it all away in here. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. We're excited about it. And pretty much everything we already had here at the house, so we didn't have to buy anything else. So that's what we're going to do on a Saturday evening for supper, poor guy style. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully it'll taste good. Don't know. Never did it, as usual. So grab something to drink. Meet me outside. Let me put on my gloves. It's a little chilly today. We're going to do this on the Royal Gourmet. My first offset smoker that I got has now turned into our charcoal grill. So let me show you what we got going on. There's a cast iron skillet with some butter and some oil in there. We're just going to get this pork warmed up. It's got a sizzle. That's always a good thing. How much? I don't know. So here's my plan. I got some tater tots that have been fried up and cooked already. And I have them in here, a layer on the bottom. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking. We're going to do a layer of tater tots. We'll save this here. Set it over here, I guess. We're going to do a layer of tater tots and then a layer of cheese. And then a layer of pork. And then perhaps another layer of tater tots. Another layer of pork. And another layer of cheese. All right in here. So there's my tater tots, as you can see. I already cooked and ready to go. This is a brand new Dutch oven that I got from my beautiful wife, Dawn. She's right there. For Christmas. I've got some grated pepper jack cheese. Now I want to add a little bit of this spice to here just to give it a little bit more flavor. Let's see. Yeah, not too much. I mean, it's still, already you can smell the smoke coming off of it. This was a pork butt that we did last week, and we never eat the whole thing in first setting, but we like to use our leftovers. So we're just going to get this warmed up a little bit. Get it a little bit juicy. He's trying to get, yeah, Sebastian, that one right there, he's trying to get that pork off the table unsuccessfully. Like I said, we don't, so is Frodo. Good times. So we're just going to let this warm up a little bit. Put some moisture back into it, a little bit more flavor. I think I will add a little bit more of that seasoning to it. And then I'm really going to have to take time and move that pork inside before one of them actually does get it. This has just got some, I think, onion, garlic, paprika, some other things in it. So not too much of a big deal. All right, listen, I gotta go move that pork before they all get a belly full, and that will not be good for us later on this evening. So I'll be right back. Peace. And there it is. Okay, so that's warmed up good enough. Like I said, just wanted to get it warmed through, and add a little bit more moisture, and that spice will add a little bit more flavor to it. So this is when we're going to try to put things together. I'm going to start over the coals because this Dutch oven right now is pretty cold. So here's the plan. Do I really have a plan? I have sort of a plan. So since this is grated, it's freshly grated, it's a little clumpy right now. So the good thing about having a charcoal grill this size is I can go ahead and move it off the direct heat. Let's go ahead with a little bit more of that. And the reason I didn't cook the pork in the Dutch oven first is because I didn't want the tater tots to get too soggy. So let's go ahead and do some pork. So I guess basically what I'm going to try to do is get 2 layers of each. Yeah, that's the plan. Okay. And I do want to add at this time some barbecue sauce. Got to take this off first. I'll take this little cap off. That's what I meant. Let's see. Expert Grill from Walmart. Do a little bit of barbecue sauce. Now, we're going to add some more tater tots. What do you guys think so far? Kind of a clever idea, I think. And like I said, we had everything at our house, so we didn't have to buy anything additional for this purchase, for this meal. Now we're going to do some more cheese, because we got a lot of cheese. You remember how many ounces this was? It was a big brick, and that's okay because we love cheese here. We definitely do.
It might have been a pound, like a 16-ounce.
Yeah, it was at least a 16-ounce thing. And this isn't, we don't necessarily do recipes here. We just kind of wing it. Now I'm going to do another layer of pork because that's really what it's all about. Oh yeah, that smells good. Sorry about the noise. Just kind of get that all worked around there. Put this aside. And then we're going to add that's not good. But that's okay. It was just seasoning. You guys are really going to eat the seasoning? No, they're not. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Let me do another splash of barbecue sauce. And then more cheese. Oh, yeah. What the heck am I doing?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right on. Yeah, we used all that cheese. No prisoners. Okay. Boy, I dropped my seasoning all over the patio. Imagine that. Okay, I'm going to cover this up. So what we're doing now is we're just trying to get it bubbly. I'm going to move it off here. And I'm going to close it up to retain some heat. What happens after this, I have no idea. I don't know how this is going to be. In theory, it should be very delicious, one would think. But there's only one way to find out. That's to bring it in the house and eat it when it's done. So let's get that cheese melty and bubbly, hopefully. And then we're going to eat it. All right. We'll come on back when it's done. And then we'll show you what it looks like. Then we'll get our thumbnail, which I don't know what it looks like right now. What? Peace. Oh yeah. Hey, take a look at it. It looks good. I'm gonna put this aside, take off my gloves. So we're all family here. I got the review crew with me. We're all gonna dip in and get us some. Honey, you want me to get you some?
No, I'll have to hold this.
Honey, that's so fun.
I'm afraid I'll hit the wrong
You want
button.
me to feed you?
No.
Here, I'm gonna get you some.
No, it's okay.
Choo choo.
What if I hit the wrong button?
It'll be all right. honey.
Chugga chugga.
You gotta taste it. You gotta taste
All
it.
right.
All right, everybody else, dip in. Get some pork,
some
get some
of you.
cheese.
I have a budgie.
Oh boy.
Thank you.
Let's
Smells
take a look
good.
at that. It smells good. Let's hope it is good. And even if it's not, it's good. Cheers, everybody.
Oops. It went down sharp.
That's good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I like it.
I like that.
The pepper jack cheese,
That's a good touch.
the barbecue sauce, pulled pork.
Oh, that pulled pork was really good.
Yeah. Okay. Something different. As usual, we're gonna go ahead and eat this for supper. We're hungry. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to. That'd be great. All right, everybody, have a good one. Peace.